Welcome to Web Design for Ministry's video tutorials. My name is Jason, and this tutorial is on the theme admin. The first question you might ask is, what is the theme admin? What does it do? What's it for? The theme admin allows you to change the look of your site. We'll show you a few sites here so you can see what we're talking about. Third and a fourth. Notice in each one of these, it's a completely different look. Well, this is created in the theme admin. To get to the theme admin, go to your settings link box and look for the link theme admin. Click it and this will open up the theme admin. Going down the theme admin, the site is broken up into sections. Right here we have our top menu text. Next is our header bar, followed by the footer. The question marks, if you hover over them, they'll show you pictures in the sections of the site that you're actually adjusting, either by highlighting or using a bubble there to show you. In the footer, you can also upload a picture, and then from there you do select whether you want to repeat all, repeat just horizontally or vertically. The next section is the link box. The link box in the left nav, this is the left-hand section of your site, which is called your content navigation. So this is where you'll adjust the background color, the title, the page title, the links, anything to do with the content navigation. Your main table is your main content. Then you have your header background. This is obviously the section that's your header, where you can select any of your header images you've uploaded to it, or you can just change a color. By the way, to change colors and add colors, this button to the right here, if you click on it, will bring up a color wheel. And you can select whatever color you want, and it'll place it right in there. Next is your page background. The page background is all this section right up here. Okay. And then we're going to go down to our admin link. This is simply just one link down at the bottom of the page, right here. We have our verse. If you're displaying a verse, this is where you control the variables of it. Then we have the title. If you're not going to create a header with a title and you just want a solid background and you want the title of your website to display, this is where you would control that. We'll skip this container section and move on to the shadow. You can turn it on or off. And then the side column. And now the side column, let's go back up here to the main table. Notice over here you have this section called side content. Well, that's a third column that gets created only if you put information into that section when you're creating pages. And if you do, this is going to be the width of it, and you can change that. And then finally the mid-nav. The mid-nav are these links right here, all of these. Okay, so let's go back to the top. Now at the very top you have a drop down that shows all the different themes you've already created. The theme with the asterisk is going to be the default theme. This means any page you create that has not selected a specific theme will pull from that particular theme. If you want to change any other theme to become the default, select that theme and then click Active, save it, and you'll notice it now has the asterisk. It is the new default theme. If you want to duplicate a theme to make an alteration to create something different, you can just simply select the theme, then go in and we'll call this now Children. Jason Children. We're going to save it. And notice we now have Jason Children as a theme. It also picked up that it was the active one. We're going to go ahead and select default, and we're going to make default the active theme. And now that is set to active. Well, this concludes the tutorial on the theme admin. If you have any questions, go to our website, WebDesignForMinistry.com, or you can email us, info@WebDesignForMinistry.com.